Hi there, it's Lisa back again with another video. Rather than doing plan with me videos for my March weeklies, I decided that I would create the weeklies and then do a video, sort of a show and tell video really. So I've decided to go back to 2-page weeklies for this month, just because I haven't done them for a little while, so I thought I'd go back. I haven't put a habit tracker in my monthlies, so I've pulled that through to the weeklies as well, and also wanted a little focus box as well, so brought that back in. So just to talk through some of the things I've used for this spread, I used the Tombow, see if that'll focus. Come on. Is it going to focus? It's the Tombow 772. And that's called Blush. And that's this pink here. I also used my Pigma Graphic 1 for the outline of the lettering. And then to do the lines of my boxes and my writing, I've used the Pigma Micron 08. Which I quite like that one. So that's week 1. Week 2. And again, I kind of refer to my spreads as minimalist because I can't draw. I've tried and failed. And so I'm relying on my coloured pens and my washi to pull my spreads together and make them pop. So just basics really. This one again, I've got my 7 boxes, I've got my meal planner and my focus box. I decided to skip the habit tracker. I felt a bit of a slave to habit tracking over the months, and so that's something I'm trying to come away from and just keep it light and yeah, not too serious really. So that's week 2. Week 3. Something a little bit different for me. I've got my boxes for the weeks, but no boxes on the edges, and I really love this washi tape with the bunting, so I've pulled that through as well. And again, oh sorry, I forgot to say on the last page, the pen that I used for this was Crayola Super Tip. Unfortunately these don't have numbers or colours or what have you, but that's the pen that I used. And what's great about these with the nib, see if you can see that, for the lettering, for the thicker part, I held the pen in this direction, and then for the remainder of the letter held it upright, which then it's the thinner nib on the end. So by using the same pen in a different stroke, it gave me a different effect. So just to mention that pen. Back to the blush Tombow in this. I did try and find a pen that matched this blue because I really like it, but unfortunately I couldn't, so I've gone with the pulling the pink through again. Gone back with a habit tracker in this one. And then finally week 4, and this one is, here we go with the focus again, Tombow 373, and it's like a turquoise colour. I do love this colour, and matches the washi nicely as well. And again, just the days of the week, focus, meals, habits, but lots of space because it's over 2 pages. So yeah, I'll see. I had started doing just 1-page weeklies, trying 2-page weeklies again this month in my March. You'll notice that I finished on the 28th of March. That's because I get quite excited about starting a new month and any excuse to start early. So the last 3 days of March will become part of my April setup. So be sure to look out for that. I will be doing a full flip through of my weeklies and monthlies on my next video. So if you'd like to see that, keep an eye out. Hope you're keeping well wherever you are in the world, and I will see you soon. Take care.